Hi, hello there, and welcome back to Steaming with Steve. Today we're going to go through some decimal terminating values. So let's jump on in. So this is the first question. It's pretty simple, just literally need to count. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so then there's 8 there, so there's going to be 17 out of the 27. So hang on, let's go again. So terminating decimals, and this is happening on the 20th of the 5th. All right. So question 1, let's go again. I think it was 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that means there's 8. So there's 9 plus 8, which is 17 on the top. Out of 3 times 9. This gives you 27 and gives it to the nearest whole number. So here's your calculator. We turn it on, press the fraction button, and then we're just going to go 17 over 27, and S to D, and then we times that by 100. And then the nearest percent is 63%. Question 2. Same again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the numerator out of 16. Again, calculator, 7, 16 equals that times 100, that, S to D, and then round it up. So then that gives you 44%. Question 3. About 6/8 to a decimal. So 6 over 8 is the same as 3 over 4, which equals 0.75. Question 4. Convert 28 over 80 to a decimal to 28 over 80 equals S to D 0.35. Didn't see that, sorry. It's down the bottom there. 0.35. So this should just typed in 28 over 80. Question 5 is a pretty easy one. So we've got 4 over 8, which equals a half, which equals 0.5. Question 6. 3 over 5 equals 6 over 10, which then equals 0.6. Question 7, so we've got 18 over 25 as a decimal. So 18 over 25, S to B, 0.72. Question 8, 31 over 100, it's just 0.31. Question 9, half to a decimal, 0.5. Question 10, 3/5 as a decimal. So 3 over 5 equals 6 over 10. We just did that one before, sorry. Probably should have looked at these a little bit more carefully. So it gets you 11. 0.2 is a fraction given as its simplest form. So that's the same as 2 over 10. And then we can divide both the top and bottom by 2, so you get 1/5. 12 as a fraction, so equals 257 over 1,000. So we're going to use the fraction button, 257 over 1,000. Yep. So it was what the original was, so 0.257. For questions like that, I don't mind checking just in case, because you don't know what prime numbers are going to be involved. So 13, we've got 69 over 100, which just equals 0.69. Let's go again, 0.69. 14, 0.3 is the simplest fraction. Just the same as 3 over 10, and you can't do much more than that. 15, 48 as a fraction. Just going to use a calculator. Fraction button, 48 over 100, and you get 12 over 25. But 16, that's the same as 0.5 recurring, which looks like it's the second option down. 17, 0.2 recurring. 18, get the calculator, so then we're going to go 6 over 11. So it's 54, 54, 54 repeating. So 0.54, and I usually put a bar over the top of that. $19, 0.2 recurring, and then 20, 0.4 recurring. Cool. That's it for the terminating homework. Hopefully you've picked up the patterns that you need to know with that. Always can use the calculator. Just don't be afraid of it. That fraction to button and then the S to D button is really, really useful, particularly for the exam that you've got coming up. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe down below, and also enable those notifications so you can see when new content gets released. That's it from me. Thanks again. See you next time on Steam It with Steve. Adios.